Hey everybody, my name is Lynn Moss. I just want to give a shout out to business coach Tim. He has came through for me in hard times, man. I lost my job around the pandemic time, and I was trying to start my own business, but he gave me a job working for him for the cleaning. And while I was cleaning for him, he was coaching me. Now I just closed on my first contract, bringing in a little bit over $3,000 a month. And even after labor costs, paying two people to clean for me, I bring home $1,500 in profit. This is all made possible through the coach. So I appreciate that. I just want to give a shout out to him and let everybody know they need to get in touch with him. True freedom is when you can do what you want with your time. And I don't want to own my job. I want to own my business. And so if you still got to clock in and out, even if you own your so-called business and it can't run without you, you still don't have the freedom of time. But the systems that he would teach you to put in place will allow you to travel the world, will allow you to live life to the fullest. So I suggest you hit him up as soon as possible because time is running out and things are getting harder. Peace out.